Thank you so much for your purchase of the Crazy Viral tool. Welcome to the dashboard. Now, this is what you'll see when you log in. Now, keep in mind that some of the features will only be on your account if you have upgraded your account here. So this is the dashboard. So when you start, you'll click on new campaign and you give it a name. And next up, you give your gift a name. So you can call it whatever you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and save it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and click on preview to show you what it looks like. It looks like this right now. Let's go back, okay? And we can change this to, let's say right now it says, this, right? Let's go and click on this. We can call it travel tickets, whatever, right? Let's not worry about the domain name at this time. We'll worry about that in a bit. So if you want to verify the leads, click on yes, verify the leads. You can get them verified through email and SMS. Now, if you do choose to use SMS verification, go to your account right here and click on account settings. And then you can go ahead and put in your Twilio information. Twilio, you can get the Twilio information. This is optional. You can get it from Twilio account. That's it. Email verification does not require anything else. Now, buy reward, if you have this feature, this is an upgrade. Let's not worry about this right now. We'll come back to it later, okay? Now, once you have that, click on, let's go ahead and not verify it right now. For test purpose, you get the idea. So here, you can go ahead and put your reward. So click on add a reward. And then you can put a coupon, you can put a link, you can put a file. So this is what they will get. Now, this is how many points you want them to get, okay? 70 points per this, okay? So what I recommend is having like, a reward for 50 points, 70, 100, 150, whatever your max is, make sure to put like small rewards so people feel like, hey, they got something. Make sense? Sharing. So this is what people have to do in order to earn the points. So they can earn 50 points by sharing it on Facebook, Twitter, and if you want to disable it, you can just click on, you can just make it 0, okay? If you scroll down, so default share URL, this is the URL that will be shared with people. So whenever people share a link, this is going to be shared. This is the offer, okay? Now, if you want them to share your link, your product, your article, put in here. Most of the time, just go ahead and let people do this, default. So starting points is how many points do they get for just signing up, okay? It could be 50 points, okay? And then what I usually do is I make sure that referral sign up, because this is when people are sharing it with their friends and family, right? Specifically. In that case, what's going to happen is you can give them points as well, like this. Okay. Now, social networks. So this is whenever, let me give you an example here. Let's go and save this up. Let's go to link preview. I'm going to click on this. So I'm going to click on Twitter. So you see this, right? So if you want to modify the text, this is the text. If you want to modify the email, it's this, okay? So whenever you share it on, let's say, Pinterest, it's going to go ahead and upload an image. So you need to upload an image right here that you want. So let's go here. Let's just click on a random image that I have. Okay, click on save. Okay, the image is here. So if I were to go back here, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go and click on Pinterest. Okay, it showed this image, but give it some time. It should go ahead and show you this image as well, okay? It should work. It just takes a little bit of time. Of course, you can do it on other places as well. So Twitter like this, you get the idea, right? Let's go back. So modify this. This is what people will be sharing whenever they share your request. Design. Design is pretty much this. You can modify the company name at the bottom. You can modify these boxes. Come back here. And you can modify by deleting it. Right here, you can delete this offer. Okay, you can modify this offer by clicking edit. You can change it up, the image, everything like this. You can also go ahead and change the video that's on here. This video, you can get the embed code from your YouTube channel. So go to YouTube. Whatever you want, right? Click on share, click on embed. You copy this code, whatever you want, okay? Or Vimeo, whatever you want, and copy and paste it like here, this, okay? And these are buttons that are right here. Let's go back. These buttons, you can change it as well. You can put a link. test. So see what happened, right? You see it. And go back here, and then you can modify this modal, which is this thing. So when people click on this, you can change this text here. You can also go ahead and change the default country. If we were to refresh, as you can see, default country can be changed. You can choose not to collect phone number. You can only collect email if you like. I recommend you collecting emails, phone number as well. And that's pretty much, that's the basic stuff. Now let's go and talk about the OTOs that you might have bought. So number one is the custom domain. So custom domain, the way it works is go ahead and put in your domain name here, for example, abcd.com, okay? And then you have to point it to this name server or change the CNAME. So if you don't know how to do this, contact your registrar or contact your hosting, okay? And then wait about 24 to 48 hours, then that URL should work, okay? Second thing is this autoresponder, okay? So pretty much when people sign up, what you can do is you can send them an email or a text, and you can set up the email text feature by going to this account setting right here, okay? Email, you don't have to worry about it, okay? That's those. And then if you want to charge people money, so for example, let's say leave this, let's say $99, PayPal this. The way this works is people can actually pay money to earn these points, okay? Whatever the points is remaining. Does that make sense? So what they can do is click on Stripe or PayPal, and then they can earn the point without sharing it with their friends, family. Make sense? And then to modify the settings, go to settings, change the PayPal and change the Stripe API. You can get that from Stripe and PayPal. And that's pretty much it. So you have the OTOs, right? Now, if you bought the reseller, you'll see it right here. You can go and create an account by clicking here. That's pretty much it. Play with it. You won't mess up. Thank you so much for your purchase.